personalized GPTs. If you're a subscriber to ChatGPT 4, you can make your own ChatGPT. The standard AI function is just writing stuff in AI in ChatGPT and asking it questions. For this instance, I've been able to use ChatGPT 4 and I've created a new or my own specific ChatGPT. For this instance, Australian Building and Carpentry Guide. Right, so that's where I've actually started to put in specific items into it. So I'm going to show you where I've edited it. On the right-hand side, it gives you a preview. On the left, you give it information. So I've already created this. But if I go to configure, if you read into it, it goes into the depths of what I put in there. And if I scroll down, you can see some conversation starters, which are sort of standard things I'd ask for our building or carpentry students. Show me how to install internal door. What is the length of a rafter? How do I complete a development application? And I've also uploaded all the knowledge, and this gets really specific for this GPT. I've got some documents, codes of practices, construction work. I've got the guides and tolerances, standards. I've put in AS 3740 waterproofing, AS 2870 residential slabs, AS 1684. I've got 0.4 there, but I want to add some more. I've already published this. I'm going to go back. I'm going to ask it a question. So I've asked, what is this GPT specified for? Specialised version of ChatGPT known as Building Education, designed to provide expert knowledge of construction practices, standards, and regs for carpentry. Okay, so this is sort of our field. So I'm going to ask you the specific question. What length? Pitch. 3.5 meter. And answer this quickly. Using the 10. It'll take a moment, I'm assuming. Now, if you use just the broad ChatGPT, sometimes it can't work it out because it's too specific. But because I put some of the information in, it should be able to work it out. Analyzing the question. Here we go. Length of the rafter is 25-degree pitch at 3.5 meter span. I think I worked it out at 1.94 or something yesterday. That's absolutely amazing.